welcome back to this Ignited Maths. At this video, we are going to ignite the concept of exercise 4.6 of the MH Board 11 standard, and the chapter name is Determinant and Matrices. But this exercise is completely based on the matrix multiplication. A complete matrix multiplication, we have already posted a video. If we have not seen, then go through the description link. We will get the complete concept of it, because this exercise is completely based on the matrix multiplication. First main question of the first sub question that we are going to do with, that is nothing but two matrices are given and we need to find the matrix multiplication. That is nothing but one matrix is of order 3 cross 1 and the other matrix is of order 1 cross 3. That is nothing but it contains of 3 rows and 1 column, so 3 cross 1. It contains of 1 row and 3 columns, so 1 cross 3. Yes. Now we can find the matrix multiplication F. First matrix of the column, that is 1, is equal to second matrix of row, and that the value is also 1. Then we can do the matrix multiplication. Over here it's same, it's equal, so we can do the matrix multiplication. Now after finding the matrix multiplication, that is nothing but two matrices are given. After finding the matrix multiplication, we will be getting the order of first matrix of row and second matrix of column, that is nothing but 3 cross 3. So let's get started with the solution. Now for the first row, we need to multiply the first matrix of row to the second matrix of column one by one. That is nothing but 3 into 2, 3 into minus 4 and 3 into 3. Yes, this is how we need to do for the first row. Now for the second row, first matrix of the row, okay, second row to the second matrix of the column one by one we are going to do it. That is nothing but 2 into 2, 2 into minus 4 and 2 into 3. This is how we need to do it. And the third row, okay, third row, first matrix of the row, last row, that is nothing but third row, will be multiplied by the second matrix of column one by one. That is nothing but 1 into 2, 1 into minus 4, 1 into 3. Yes, we have completed with it. Now the only thing is we need to do the calculation of the multiplication. 3 into 2 6, 3 into minus 4 12, 3 into 3 9. The same as like this. And after doing the matrix multiplication, we will be getting the order 3 cross 3. Yes, we need it because it contains of 3 rows and 3 columns. And from the question also we have also identified, that is nothing but after doing the matrix multiplication, we will be getting the order 3 cross 3. Yes, we have completed with the matrix multiplication. Now the second sum also the same procedure, okay, even we can try it. Both main question, we need to show that AB matrix is equal to BA matrix. That is nothing but A matrix are given, even the B matrix are given. We need to find the matrix multiplication of AB and BA, and we need to find, or we need to show that whether the AB is equal to BA. Yes, so let's get started. Now at the fourth question, we are going to do the second sub question. It is based on the trigonometric functions. Here the A matrix are given, even over here the B matrix are given. We need to do the matrix multiplication. That is nothing but first matrix of the row will be multiplied by second matrix of the column, okay, respectively. That is nothing but cos theta into cos phi over here minus sin theta into sin phi. Yes, we have completed with the A11 element. About A12 element now. Cos theta into minus sin phi. Yes, minus sin theta into cos phi. Okay, yes, we have completed with the A12 element. Now the A21 element, that is nothing but first matrix of the second row will be multiplied by second matrix of the first column over here. Yes, sin theta into cos phi plus cos theta into sin phi. Yes, sin theta into minus sin phi plus cos theta into cos phi. We have completed with the matrix multiplication. If we observe over here, it's completely based on the compound angles of the trigonometric function. That is nothing but one of the formula of the trigonometric. That is nothing but cos theta plus phi is nothing but the formula is over here. Minus sin theta plus phi is the formula is over here. Yes, it's nothing but the trigonometric formulas. Now we have completed with the AB matrix, but at the question they have asked even the BA matrix and whether the following matrix are similar or not similar, that we need to find it. Yes, we have completed with the first part AB. Let's move to the BA. So B matrix is written over here and the A matrix is written over here. Now we need to do the matrix multiplication. The same procedure for the matrix multiplication. first matrix of the row will be multiplied by second matrix of the column. Yes, we have done with it. First matrix of the row will be multiplied by second matrix of the column. We have done over here. Now first matrix of the second row will be multiplied by second matrix of the first column. Yes, first matrix of the second row will be multiplied by second matrix of the second column. Yes. Okay, even over here the trigonometric functions of compound angles formulas we have done with it. Now from 1 and 2 we have received that AB is equal to BA matrix. So it's proved that AB is equal to BA. Just solution is only this part. The fifth main question. The question is, if A is equal to the matrix given, that is nothing but 2 cross 2 matrix, and we need to prove that A square is equal to 0. That is the multiplication or matrix multiplication. We need to prove that the matrix multiplication is 0. That is nothing but A square. So A square is nothing but A into A. We have the A matrix, just do the multiplication. If the value is equal to 0, then we have proved it. That is nothing but we have done over here that A into A, and we need to do the matrix multiplication of 2 cross 2 matrix. Yes, so first matrix of the row will be multiplied by the second matrix of the column. Yes, 4 into 4 16, 8 into minus 2, that is nothing but minus 16. Yes, over here 4 into 8 in 4 into 8 32, 3 into minus 4 32. Yes, over here minus 2 into 4 minus 8, minus 4 into minus 2, that is nothing but plus 8. Yes, minus 2 into 8 minus 16, minus 4 into minus 4, that is nothing but plus 16. After doing the calculation, we are getting the 0 matrix, 0 0 0. So it's nothing but the 0. Yes, we have done with it. The question itself asks that prove that A square is equal to 0. That's what we have proved it. Eighth main question. Over here the question is asked that A and the B matrix are given, and we need to find the AB minus 2I, where I is a unit matrix of the order 2. Yes, AB matrix we need to find it, and we need to subtract by the 2I. I is nothing but the unit matrix, is nothing but the identity matrix. Yes, so it's nothing but 1 0 0 1. Yes, this is how we need to find it, and they have asked to find just AB minus 2I. Let's get started. Okay, over here the A matrix are written, over here B matrix are written. Just do the matrix multiplication. That is nothing but first matrix of the row will be multiplied by the second matrix of the column. Yes, 1 into 3 3, minus 2 into 3, that is nothing but minus 6. And next, first matrix of the row will be multiplied by second matrix of the column. 1 into minus 1, minus 2 into 7, 14. Yes, the same thing we need to apply for the second row, and after doing the calculation we'll be getting the answer. And next, AB minus 2I. AB we have already got over here. Same thing we need to write over here. Minus 2I. I is nothing but 1 0 0 1, because they have already said that it's a unit matrix. It's nothing but the identity matrix. Yes. So do the scalar multiplication over here. 2 into 1 2, and 2 into 0 is nothing but 0. So no need to worry. Just put it at 0, and 2 into 1 2. Okay, we have done with the scalar multiplication. Now do the subtraction between the matrices. That is nothing but matrix subtraction. Minus 3 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 5. Minus 15 minus 0, minus 15. 33 minus 0, 33. 37 minus 2, 35. We have done with the 8th sum, and we have got the answer. Seventh main question. They have given the A and B matrix. Yes, and we need to find the alpha. Alpha is nothing but the value. Okay, if A square is equal to B. Okay, they have given certain condition, that is nothing but A square is equal to B, and we need to find the value of alpha. Let's get started. A matrix we have written over here. Again the A matrix. Just do the matrix multiplication. A into A square. 0 into 1 0. A into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Yes, we have done with it. Now next, 1 into alpha alpha, plus 1 into 1 1. 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Yes, just do the calculation over here. 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. Yes, so they have given the condition that A square is equal to B. A square that we have received from here, and the B is already given in the question. Just put the equality of the matrix. By equality of the matrix, okay, A square into 1 and over here 0, so no need to worry, just take the other value. A plus 1 is equal to 2. If we are doing the alpha value, if we are finding it, we will be getting the answer is alpha is equal to 1. That is nothing but alpha over here. Okay, alpha over here 2 minus 1, it's nothing but 1. Yes, and over here if we will take the square root, then also it will be 1 only. So at last the alpha is equal to 1. This is what the question asks. 20th main question. We need to find the value of x if the three types of matrices are given and the value of it's also equal to 0. So one matrix is of order 1 cross 3, second matrix of order 3 cross 3, and the third matrix of order 3 cross 1. So just keep it this matrix aside because it has the value of x. First we will find over here and we will move to over here. Okay, because here all the number part even we can find very easily. 3 cross 3, 3 cross 1. So cut it over here and we'll find the matrix of 3 cross 1. So first matrix of the row will be multiplied by the second matrix of the column. 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 minus 4, 3 into 3 9. Over here minus, so that's why minus. Okay, 4 into 1 4, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 6 into 3 18, 3 into 1 3, 2 into minus 2 4, 5 into 3 15. Okay, this will be of order 3 cross 1 as we have seen. This will be cancelled and the order will be first matrix of the row and second matrix of the column. That is nothing but 3 cross 1, and we will do the calculation. We will be getting the answer. Now this is of order 1 cross 3 and this is of order 3 cross 1. Again we will do the matrix multiplication. 6 into 1 6, x into 12 12x, 1 into 14 14. Just put the addition sign, and 12x plus 6 plus 14 is nothing but 20. Put it over here and the RHS is minus 20. So x is equal to minus 5 by 3. This is what the question asks because we need to find the value of the x. We have done with it. The 21st main question, we need to find the value of x and y if the matrices are given. We need to do the matrix multiplication, scalar multiplication, so that we can find the value of x and y. Okay, if any queries occur, please go through the description link. We will get the complete concept. If yes, put on the comment section even. Okay, so at the question there are three types of matrix are given. In the bracket they have given. So first we need to find the value of this matrix and we need to multiply with this matrix. So let's get started. Over here we need to do the scalar multiplication. That is nothing but 4 into 2 8, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 0 0, 4 2 8. We have done with it. Now over here we need to do the matrix subtraction. Okay, for this matrix and this matrix, if we do the matrix subtraction we will get the answer this, and 2 minus 1 just take it in such a way. Now this is of order 2 cross 3 because it contains of 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 cross 3, it contains of 3 cross 1. Yes, 3 rows and 1 column, so 3 cross 1. So the matrix multiplication we will be getting as 2 cross 1. So let's get started. 5 minus 1 8. Okay, 5 into 2 8, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 8 into 1 8, 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 7 into 1 7. We have done with the matrix multiplication. Just put the value as like us, and we have found with the value of x and y. Okay, by relating the matrices by equality of matrices, that is nothing but x is equal to 19 and y is equal to 12. This is what the question asks. The fourth main question, if the A matrix and B matrix are given, we need to show that AB is not equal to BA, but AB the determinant is equal to A determinant dot B determinant. That we need to show it. So first let's show that AB matrix is not equal to BA matrix. Okay, let's get started with it. 4.6 exercise is based on the matrix multiplication. So total there are 25th sum. It's completely based on the matrix multiplication. Now the 24th sum, we have written the AB matrix, that is nothing but A matrix over here, B matrix over here, and we need to do the matrix multiplication. That is nothing but first matrix of the row will be multiplied by the second matrix of the column over here. First matrix of the row will be multiplied by second matrix of column over here. Yes, first matrix of the second row will be multiplied by second matrix of the column over here. first matrix of the second row will be multiplied by second matrix of the second column over here, and just do the calculation, we will be getting the answer. The same process for the BA. Okay, even we got the answer, but the question itself says that AB is not equal to BA. We need to show, but it's absolutely right. AB is not equal to BA. We have got it. Now, again they have asked that AB determinant, that is nothing but AB we have got. Find out the value of the determinant of AB. That is nothing but first multiply the first diagonal element and subtract by the second diagonal element. 4 into 7, 28. Subtract by 10 into 20 is equal to 8. Yes, we have found it. AB matrix, AB determinant. Now next A determinant we need to find it, and even the B determinant. A matrix is already given in the question, so just put the value and we need to find the value of the determinant. It's nothing but -1, and the B determinant is nothing but -8. Find out the A determinant dot B, and we got the answer 8. Yes, so AB determinant is equal to A determinant dot B determinant. This is what the question asks. The 25th main question is completely based on the word problem sum. Okay, we need to convert in the matrix, and with the matrix multiplication we can find it very easily. Let's get started. Okay, now we'll find out the AB matrix. Okay, just name the A and B matrix, because there are two different types of matrices that are given. That is nothing but, there are two friends, that is nothing but J and Ram, and J wanted to buy 4 pens, so and 8 notebooks, and Ram wanted to buy 5 pens and 12 notebooks. So it's completely based on J and Ram, pen and notebook. Yes, so we'll write J and Ram, pen and notebook. Okay, J wanted to buy 4 pen, and J even wanted to buy 8 notebook. We have listed over here. And Ram wanted to buy 5 pen, and Ram wanted to buy 12 notebooks. Yes, we have listed. This is what the A matrix are given, that we have named as a matrix. At the question they have not mentioned it's a matrix. Okay, now second matrix, both of them went to shop. The price of a pen and a notebook which they have selected was ₹6 and 10. Okay, one of pen and the other of notebook, that is nothing but 6 and 10, that we have named as a B matrix. Now what we need to find it? Using matrix multiplication, find the amount required from each one of them. To buy the pen and notebook, what will be the amount required? Yes, for J and Ram, that we need to find it. That also we can find with the matrix multiplication. Yes, so A matrix we have written over here, and the B matrix, just do the matrix multiplication, and we got the answer as 104, 150. So the J wants rupees 104, yes, and Ram wants rupees over here, okay, 150, because J is in first and Ram is second. So 104, 150, this is what the question asks. Into this word problem sum, even we can do by the normal calculation, but the question itself asks that we need to do it by the matrix multiplication only. So we have done with the matrix multiplication. Thank you for watching this video. If this Ignited Maths is so helpful, then do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment.